If you're stuck at home like most people in this lockdown, you must be wondering how you can make the most of this time and maybe make some extra money from the comfort of your home. Because of having limited access to the outside world, most people are spending their time online. Why not use that opportunity to earn a few bucks? So, here are 5 business ideas you can start online during this quarantine. Let's get started. Number 1. Online teaching. The shift in trends due to the lockdown has seen people move to video conferencing tools to keep businesses running. A similar rise can be seen in online classrooms as students are unable to attend classes. So if you have a special skill that you can teach others, you can start an online class. You can also choose to teach regular subjects to students to clear their concepts. Number 2. Start a blog. If you have time and are interested in writing, you can start writing a blog of your own. It can be on any subject that you like. If you are good at technical stuff and want to explain ideas to people, you can do that. Or you could just go ahead and post short stories or poems if that's your thing. Once your blog gains enough following, you can look at making money through affiliate marketing or sponsored posts. Number 3. Start freelancing work. There are platforms like Upwork and Freelancer where you can get various freelancing projects which you can complete from the comfort of your home. You can find jobs related to content writing, translations, typing, and much more. Choose from what you like and you can convert it into a steady income source. Number 4. Digital marketing. The world of digital marketing has been rising steadily in the past decade due to the increase in social media usage among people of all ages. Now with people stuck at home all the time, social media usage has suddenly spiked in the last few months. This is a good time to get into digital marketing as all kinds of traditional marketing are now on hold. If you can do the job well, you can easily help brands build an excellent online presence and thus take your business further post-lockdown. Number 5. Start vlogging. If you like doing videos, you can start vlogging on YouTube. Vlogs or video blogs are one of the most popular types of YouTube channels. You can try talking about everyday stuff or share your opinions about current affairs and see if it connects with your viewers. You can start with an inexpensive setup at first. Begin talking to a mobile camera and then later you can move on to a professional setup if you would like. Who knows, you could be the next influencer. Start with one of these ideas during this lockdown and remember to stay consistent. Make small beginnings and take them far. If you have any more ideas, share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. This is Masterlist. See you in the next one.